let us talk about marketing cost now. And in the marketing cost, we have two different types. The first type is advertisement cost, and then we have commissions. Now, if I go to the assumptions page, we have been informed that the advertisement cost is as a percentage of revenue, which is 25%. So basically, you have to run ads on Amazon as well, and you may be running ads at different platforms like Facebook. So this is the cost of that. And then there is a different type of sales, different type of marketing cost, that is commission to affiliates. We are going to talk about that in a minute, but first let us talk about these advertisements. So I will go back to this schedules here, and I would say advertisement. And now here in this area, first of all, let me repeat the sales revenue, and that is coming from the value above. There we have calculated our sales revenue. And now let us talk about the advertisement cost percentage. And this percentage is coming from the assumptions page, which is 25%. And now make it absolute. And now let us copy paste. And now after that, all I need to do is to apply this percentage here. And here you have your advertisement cost ready. Done. And we are now going to take it to profit and loss statement. So I'll say profit and loss advertisement equals schedules, this value, and copy paste. Done. Now let us talk about commissions as well. And for the commissions, let us go there and read the assumptions. Here we are informed that the commission on affiliate sales is 25%, but not on all the sales, only on affiliate sales. And we have also been informed that sales coming from affiliate is 30%. So what I will do is I will say commissions. First of all, let us repeat the sales revenue again. And the sales revenue is coming from the top value here. And now the next thing is sales coming from affiliates. And this is going to be my percentage number, which is coming from the assumptions page, that is sales coming from affiliates is 30%. And now I can calculate affiliate sales, the total sales coming from affiliates, and that is this value multiplied by this value, right? Now let us make this percentage number absolute, and now we can copy paste this to all the cells on the right. Right, so now we have the affiliate sales number, that is 396 in the year 1. Now we have to talk about the commission, and that is affiliate sales commission, which is the percentage given on assumptions page, which is commission on affiliate sales 25%. And now we can calculate the commission, that is this value, sales coming from affiliates, and then we have the commission, that is 99,000 for year 1. Now make this percentage number absolute, and let us copy paste that to all the cells here. And now you can see that we have the commission available, total commissions. And now we can take it to our profit and loss statement, which is schedules 99,000, and we are done with this. And now that you have all of these numbers available, we are ready to calculate our EBITDA value. But one thing that we have done, we should have added a minus sign here, but never mind, we can do that now. Minus, 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 and minus. And now you can copy and paste this back, and you have all the numbers with a negative sign now. So we can recheck that. Schedules G28, schedules G34, yes, these numbers are absolutely right. Now we can calculate our EBITDA value, and that is sum of these values starting from the gross profit. And once you have done that, we'll copy paste, and we have EBITDA value for all of these years.